Good morning. Here today's class of DNA replication. What is DNA? DNA is a micromolecule that carries genetic information from generation to generation. Biological information flows from DNA to RNA and from there to proteins called central diagram of life. Here is diagram. DNA replication, then transcription of DNA, formation of RNA, from RNA through translation, formation of protein. This is central diagram of life. Now replication of DNA. DNA replication is semi-conservative, proposed by Watson and Crick. Each strand of parental DNA is used as a template to produce a new complementary strand, which is then associated with parental template strand to make a duplex DNA molecule. Means this is identical to original duplicate DNA. First experimental evidence for semi-conservative DNA replication was provided by Michelson and al. What do you mean by semi-conservative? One strand will be parental and one strand new strand. In diagram, daughter DNA, template strand, newly synthesized DNA. In center, that is parental DNA. Here we see synthesis of two DNA, both having one parental strand and another newly synthesized strand. Replication of DNA in prokaryotes. Mainly BS study or research goes on replication of DNA in prokaryotes because many drugs developed inhibit replication of DNA in prokaryote, which are used as antibacterial. Initiation of replication. Initiation of DNA occurs at a site called origin of replication. In case of prokaryote, there is a single site, whereas in eukaryote, there is multiple sites of origin. These sites mostly consist of short sequence of AT base pair, that is adenine and thymine base pair. A specific protein called DNA having 20 to 50 monomers bind with the site of origin for replication. This causes double-stranded DNA to separate. Now separation of DNA strand. Two complementary strands of DNA separate at the site of replication to form a bubble. Multiple replication bubbles are formed in nucleotic DNA molecules, which is essential for rapid replication process. Here is a diagram. Site of replication DNA protein leads to separation of DNA and formation of replication bubbles. One strand called leading strand, other strand called lagging strand. Here is origin of replication and formation of replication bubbles. RNA primer. For synthesis of new DNA, a short fragment of RNA, that is 5 to 50 nucleotide, is required as a primer. Enzyme primase, a specific RNA polymerase in association with single-stranded binding protein, forms a complex called primosome and produces RNA primer. DNA synthesis is semi-continuous and bidirectional. Replication of DNA occurs in 5 to 3 directions simultaneously on both strands of DNA. On leading strand, DNA synthesis is continuous or forward. On lagging strand, discontinuous or retrograde. Short pieces of DNA, 15 to 250 nucleotides, are produced on lagging strand. In replication bubble, the DNA synthesis is bidirectional from point of origin. Replication fork and DNA synthesis. Separation of two strands of parent DNA result in formation of replication fork. Replication fork moves along parent DNA as daughter DNA molecules are synthesized. DNA helicase. These enzymes bind to both strands at the replication fork, move along the DNA helix and separate the strand. It is dependent on ATP for energy supply. Its function is comparable with zip opener. This is replication fork. DNA helicase works like zip opener, goes open two strands. Further, synthesis of DNA 5 to 3 on leading strand continuous, that is shown by newly synthesized DNA, and leading strand, that is a small and discontinuous, that is called Okazaki pieces. Now single-stranded DNA binding protein, also known as DNA helix destabilizing proteins. They possess no enzyme activity. Single-strand binding protein bind only to single strand of DNA, keeps the two strands separated, provide the template for new DNA synthesis. DNA synthesis catalyzed by DNA polymerase III. Synthesis of new DNA strand catalyzed by DNA polymerase III occurs in 5 to 3 directions. This is anti-parallel to parent strand. All 4-deoxyribonucleoside triphosphate, that is DATP, DGTP, DCTP and DTTP, are essential prerequisite for DNA replication. Template DNA strand, that is parent strand, determines the base sequence of newly synthesized complementary DNA. Incoming deoxyribonucleotides are added one after the another to 3' end of growing DNA chain. A molecule of pyrophosphate is removed with addition of each nucleotide. One strain synthesized in direction 5 to 3 dash towards replication fork. Other in direction 5 to 3 dash away from replication fork, which is discontinuous. Polarity problem. Leading a strain with its 3 dash in towards fork can be elongated by sequential addition of nucleotide. Lagging a strain with 5 dash in towards replication fork presents some problem as no existence of DNA polymerase enzyme that can catalyze the addition of nucleotide to 5 dash end of growing chain. This problem solved by synthesizing lagging strain as a series of small fragments called Okazaki fragments. These pieces are made in normal direction, that is 5 to 3, later joined together by DNA polymerase 1 and DNA ligase. Proofreading function of DNA polymerase third. Proofreading means maintenance of fidelity. DNA polymerase third also has proofreading activity so that fidelity of replication is maintained. It checks the incoming nucleotide and allows only complementary bases to be added to growing DNA strain. Replication of RNA primer by DNA after new DNA strain synthesized. DNA polymerase 1 comes into picture and removes RNA primer and takes its position. DNA polymerase 1 catalyzes synthesis of a fragment of DNA that replaces RNA primer. Enzyme DNA ligase catalyzes formation of phosphodiester linkage. Supercoils and DNA topoisomerase. As the double helix of DNA separates from one side and replication proceeds, supercoils are formed at other side. DNA topoisomerase type 1 cuts the single strain having nuclease activity to overcome the problem of supercoils with ligase activity. Means both cuts and seals. DNA topoisomerase type 1 both cuts and seals DNA strain. On the other hand, DNA topoisomerase second, also known as DNA gyrase, cuts the both strain and reseals them to overcome problem of supercoils. What is difference? One cuts single strain and type 2 cuts that known as DNA gyrase both strains. Also reseals them.